Hubspot updated their custom objects, and now you are able to create them manually instead of using code. So that opened up doors for people who didn't know code, were looking to add custom objects to their Hubspot accounts. But that also opened up kind of worms. Custom objects started to be overused. So today we wanted to cover use cases for custom objects, when to not use them, and limitation, what to be aware of when you create a custom object. Two most popular examples that we faced with was a car dealership car custom object. Contact will be associated with the cars that they purchased or cars that they are interested in. You are able to associate those cars with deals and track revenue, track number of cars sold, things like that. So that specific car object, you'll be able to see who bought what and be able to track that, report on that, and nurture those leads. Another good example would be seasons. For anybody who is selling tickets, who has games, events, things like that, we would be able to roll up all of that information under different seasons and report on that, track attendance, track different metrics that are important for the business, and nurture the leads for either signed up for those seasons, who didn't sign up with different criteria. Not great use case for custom object is when you're able to substitute that custom object with a property. For example, differentiating between a student and professor would be best set up through custom property. Regarding limitation on custom objects, you're not able to send bulk marketing emails to custom objects. Kind of circling back to that student-professor scenario, if you choose one of them to be custom object, you wouldn't be able to target them with marketing emails, which is another reason to not set it up like that. And the second big limitation is revenue attribution reporting. Revenue attribution reporting is only available through deals. If you decide to set up your events as a custom object and set up pipelines for those events, just be aware that revenue attribution would not be available for that custom object. Kind of like rundown, best use of custom objects is for something that is not available currently in HubSpot and cannot be substituted with a custom property. And just keep in mind those two big limitations: marketing emails and revenue attribution. But otherwise, good luck in setting up your custom objects.